Hello friend, welcome to the Java Puzzle. Today we are going to discuss about how we can boost our productivity with a Code GPT using Visual Studio Code. In my previous example of the Code GPT with a Spring Boot application, we integrate the Whisper API of ChatGPT with the Spring Boot application. So now today we are going to use this code and show you some extra skill, extra trick to use Code GPT. So first of all, you have to go inside the extension section and you have to search for the Code GPT. So after searching that, you will see there is a Code GPT and this is a blue tick. You just have to install that. Okay, so I already installed, so no need to install that. So I'll just close this and then click on the Control Shift P, and here you just have to set your API key. Just click here and you have to enter your API key. So I already copy my API key here. So, and if you already install the API key, so you just have to remove that API key first. So I firstly remove my API key, and again I am going to set the API key here. So just click enter. Now your API key is saved. Generally, it's a true remarkably that within a day of the OpenAI announcement of introducing OpenAI API to developer community, so many AI tools are springing up. So this Code GPT is one of the developer favorite. What is the Code GPT? Code GPT is a VS Code extension and it uses the official OpenAI API right within the VS Code to bring in AI to assist in your day-to-day development. And some of its key features including get code, ask code GPT. You will see here I will enter the code GPT. You will see the ask code GPT. So code GPT chat. We will see some of them here, and I'll show you how a developer can use this code GPT. So we configure our code GPT. We install that and we configure. After the configure, you just have to experiment here. So generally I just open my OpenAI client. So go here, OpenAI client. I will just open this Java class, and here I will just going to ask code GPT to write some code. So I'll just comment here and I will write here, could you generate a new method to call OpenAI Whisper API's audio or translation point. And if I will run this Control Shift I and Code GPT say I am thinking, and here let's see what is going to happen here. And here you will see there is a code is generated, and if I will expand that and show you, this one is create a nice call and giving the note here also. Okay, I will open this form.xml and close this form.xml, and then just select all, Control Shift P, and ask Code GPT to please create README. And if I will enter here, so our Code GPT is going to think and it will generate a README for me. So here you will see my README is created here. I will just have to save that. So I will save here, just remove that .md and just save it. Now you will see my readme is generated. Okay, then what we can do, we can do a unit test here. So I will just open this open AI service. Okay, let me close this. I just open this OpenAI, and now I'll have to select this. Okay, and ask code GPT like unit test code GPT. Here you will see unit test code GPT. Just select this and our code GPT is thinking about that, and it will create a test class for me. I already created, but let's see what it would do. So currently it's thinking, and you will see it's create. Let me show you. And here is our OpenAI application test. Just it's created. Now I'm trying to find some problem. So I will just open this controller, OpenAI client controller this time, and right click to select or select this, Control Shift P, and here we just have to find problem code GPT, and it will find out if any problem it would get. You will see what I got from code GPT. So there is a few minor issue from this code, which is the import should be ordered alphabetically and separate by the blank line. Then the package name should follow Java naming convention. So here you will see there is some points given by the code GPT. Okay, and there is a revised code. So if you want to compare, then you can easily compare that what is the difference between the our code and what code GPT is giving us. Okay, after that you can also ask code GPT to explain the code. So if I will select this and if I will control shift P, explain code GPT, and this one is going to explain about your code. So this code create a REST controller for the OpenAI client service, and it receive HTTP post request with JSON or multipart blah blah is this. Okay, and define the both of the method which we created here, chat and create transcription. There are many other features provided by the Code GPT. So check out this feature page for the more detail, and if you want some other tutorial over the Code GPT, please ask me in the comment section. Bye. Thank you.